Hello, assalamu alaikum. Fatim Ali back in the kitchen again here for you guys. We've got you this lovely simple salmon recipe in the kitchen today. It's very colorful. It's got rice, potatoes, fish, which is very healthy, and it's so creamy and it's going to be nice. We enjoy making it and I'm sure you're going to love watching it. Let's get started. It's going to be nice. Got you salmon in the kitchen, guys. A very nice simple salmon recipe, and it doesn't take long to make it. So I've got some pepper here that I want to season the salmon with, and then I'm gonna put some salt on. Then I'll put some lemon juice on. A little bit, and then I'm going to season all of that. I'll wash my hands now. We've got the pan nice and hot. Also, we've got some steamed potato that's going with the salmon, and some peas here, as you can see, and maybe we might do a little bit of rice on the side, because this can go with potatoes, rice, pasta, you name it. So I'm going to put about 2 cups of oil in the pan. That's about right. Alright, now that the oil is hot, I'm going to fry the salmon in there. For you, darling. There you go. This is especially for my lovely brothers who are in the West and they struggle with meals, easy meals that they want to prepare, because like where we come from, men don't cook, you know. But in the West here, you've got to cook, boys. You can't get away with it. Alright, let's check our salmon and turn it over. So we leave this side also to fry. The salmon is nicely done, so we're gonna gently take it out. Garlic cloves in, half diced onion, and my favorite little chilies. That's optional, you don't have to add it. Okay, so our onion has fried nicely. I'm going to put some water in. And then I'm going to bring this to a boil to reduce the water a little bit. Okay, so this has reduced down now. Now we're going to add double creaming. I've got 1 3/4 cups of double cream. So I'm going to season it with 1/2 teaspoon of pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then I've got some spinach that I'm going to add. So I'm going to leave this to simmer for 2 minutes before I add the salmon in. Okay, so we're going to add the Parmesan cheese in. And then stir all that a little bit together. And then the lemon goes in. Then the salmon goes in. So we put some parsley on top and then leave this to cook for just 2 minutes while we put the gas all the way down, and then that's it. So guys, there you have it. Our salmon is all nice and creamy and ready. That's all that we've got for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. If you like watching what we do, please put your thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on content when we post a new video. You'll be the first to be notified. That's all that we've got for you in the kitchen. Thank you for watching. Until we come on your way again soon. Bye bye.